Look at this really mint, clean F-250 Ford with a big high performance 460 motor. Look at that sucker. He is clean, like really, really nice. What we got done on this beautiful beast. Look at that. True duals all the way back. Off the manifolds, there and there. Then true duals all the way into a Flowmaster Super 40, right there. And then 2 tailpipes, 2 1/4 on each side, there and there, out the sides with no tips. Keep that factory look right there and right there. Came out really nice, really clean. As you can see, it was all rotted out. That's the old exhaust that was on it. Rusted to heck. I want to say the other word. Dual in, dual out. So we just updated it for him. And that's a Super 50. We put him a Super 40. So make it sound better, look better. There it is, right there. And get you guys the part number in a second. Flowmaster Super 40, part number 852-5454. There'll be a link in the description for it. It goes right there. There she is. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're wondering where we're at, we are in Nashville, Tennessee, Music City, USA. Ford F-250 Ranger. True duals. Sounds so good. Such a clean truck, guys. Look at that. Look at the cab on it. Not overly loud, just clean. Here's sound decibel. 97. 97, not bad at all. Sorry, the wind is loud today, guys. Look at that sucker. It's such a clean truck. I'd love to drive this around. I like it. It sounds good too. Let you guys hear it on the inside.